Hi, it's Chav Weather here with a video looking at floods hitting Assam in India on May the 18th, 2022. Over 1,000 villages near the Brahmaputra River have flooded as the river burst its banks following heavy rains. Red alerts are in place as rains continue, with emergency services helping to evacuate affected residents. Some villages have become isolated as floodwaters rise, with cars unable to reach them. Boats and airdrops are being used to help affected citizens. Following the floods, landslides have caused further damage with homes destroyed. The situation is being monitored as conditions look set to worsen in the coming days. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.